As the instructor, the first step is to start up the server. Then start up the instructor seat and enter the IP address and the port number to connect to the server. The server will show that the instructor has connected to the server. Additionally, all of the other roles and NPC contacts will appear on the server as they connect or are added to the scenario. If other roles are not connecting to the server or the contacts do not appear on the server, then the IP address input into the instructor and other roles should be checked. WaveLore uses standard WASD keys to move around in the user interface, and either the keyboard and mouse or the Xbox controller can be used. In modern PC gaming, the mouse controls the camera view and the WASD keys control where the camera moves in space. The instructor will use the W key to move forward, the A key to turn left, the D key to turn right, and the S key to move backward. If the Xbox controller is used, the right joystick controls the camera view and the left joystick controls the camera movement in space. To increase the speed of movement through the WaveLore environment, use the right trigger. To set up a scenario, the first step is to go to the DDG menu at the top left. When the menu is opened, input a course and speed for the DDG and click Apply. Once those variables have been applied, the DDG will move at the course and speed entered in the fields. After the course and speed has been entered, this will now appear to the left of the fields in the DDG menu. This allows for a new course and speed to be entered in the fields if desired. Next, go to the Add Contacts menu. Once this menu is accessed, a top-down view of the WaveLore environment will appear. This is called the Scene Map view. This view can also be accessed by pressing the Tab key. There are two zoom levels. Level 1 is 40 by 40 nautical miles, Level 2 is 4 by 4 nautical miles, and if clicked a third time it will snap back to the original 250 by 250 nautical miles. For more precision, while placing contacts, press the G key and it will bring up a grid along the edges of the screen to indicate the range of the scene map. This was created to help the instructor add contacts. In the Add Contacts menu, there are 6 types of vessels to choose from, and WaveLore can handle up to 45 ships in a scenario. To add a contact, click on the vessel to be added. For example, click on the DDG button. Now move the cursor to place the DDG in the scenario and left-click to place it. To move it to another location, select the green point and replace it in the new location. To adjust the variables of the NPC DDG or any other contacts, first go to the Contacts menu. Select the contact to change the course and speed for, input the variables desired, and press Apply. In order to save or load a saved scenario, go to the Scenario Control menu. Select the scenario you wish to load and press Apply. To save a scenario, input a title and press Apply. For demonstration purposes, the DDG will start in the harbor, ready to pilot out of the harbor. At that point, the DDG, which will be known as Valkyrie, will join up with an NPC DDG called Impetuous. The two ships will conduct maneuvering drills and rendezvous with a tanker for on-rep approaches. Now the other users will load WaveLore and connect to the server.